What's up, MotoFam? This is Adam, and check out my brand new 2020 YZ85. Today we're going to be focusing on changing the oil on this bike. So first things first, we got to get on my gloves so my hands don't get super oily. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the oil drain bolt. So I have my oil catcher here, and now I gotta unscrew the oil drain plug. Now that I have the bolt loose, I'm just gonna unscrew it with my hand. Alright, I have the bolt out, here it is. The bike looks like it has the right amount of oil, but good thing that we're changing it because it's super dark. Now that most of the oil has drained out, we're just gonna clean off the excess oil in that area. Now that we've drained out all the oil, there's around 500 cc's of oil in there. That's exactly the amount that we're gonna put in the bike. So now we gotta get rid of this old oil. So now that we got all the old oil drained out, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the drain bolt back in. I'm just gonna get it tightened up with my fingers just to get it in. So now that I tighten the bolt with my fingers, I'm just gonna go in with the ratchet. Make sure it doesn't need to be cranked. It just needs to be snug enough to not let oil leak. So now we gotta put the oil back in. These are the three things that you'll need. You'll need a funnel, a measuring cup, and you're gonna need the oil you're gonna put back into your bike. First, we're gonna unscrew the oil fill cap. So now we're just gonna put the funnel into the motor. Now we gotta make sure we get a little over 500 cc's of oil measured. Now you can see how clear this oil is. Here's a quick tip. Don't just dump the oil because it'll overflow. Pour it in slowly so it doesn't. So now that the oil's in, we just gotta take this out and put the cap back in. That's how you change the oil on the YZ85. Now it's time to start up your bike so the oil can get to the places it needs to go. If you have any other questions, check your owner's manual or go to your local motocross shop. Well, MotoFam, I hope you liked that episode of Learn Moto. Comment below on the next video we should do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram and TikTok. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.